Unboxing. Check if the packaging box is intact. Remove the screws from the packaging box. Remove the top cover of the packaging box. Check that the hardness tester is intact. Remove the padding, carrying case, and machine cover. Use a wrench or power tool to remove the 4 sets of weights. Note that you should not bend the metal connecting rod when removing the weights. Open the suitcase and check the included accessories. Lift the base of the packaging box. Remove the 3 screws located under the base. Installation. Mount the hardness tester on a sturdy, stable, vibration-free base platform. The workbench can be drilled according to the drawings in the instruction manual. When moving it, you must lift it by the bottom. Use an Allen wrench to remove the screws on the main unit's top cover. Lift the top cover partially from the front. After disconnecting the connecting cable, completely remove the top cover. Check that all internal components are intact and undamaged. Check that all plugs on the controller are securely connected. Cut and remove the cable ties. Move the weight holder into the corresponding lever V-groove. Double Rockwell models require the side doors to be opened. Cut off the cable ties on the base of the weight. Begin installing the weights. First, install weight number 1. Ensure the cutting edge is correctly installed within the V-groove. Then install weight number 4. Ensure the cutting edge is correctly installed within the V-groove. Next, install weight number 3 using the same method. Finally, install weight number 2. Ensure the cutting edge is correctly installed within the V-groove. Turn the handwheel counterclockwise to lower the sampling stage. Remove the shock-absorbing pad. Connect the cables correctly. Close the lid. Reinstall the removed screws. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Clean the anti-rust oil off the surface of the sampling stage. Place the level on the sample stage. Adjust the base screws of the hardness tester. Adjust the bubble to the center circle of the level. Select the scale you want to test. The hardness tester will automatically switch to the corresponding test force. Select the indenter corresponding to the desired scale. Install the indenter and tighten it with screws. Test. The sample to be tested is placed in the center of the sampling stage. Turn the handwheel clockwise smoothly to raise the sampling stage. The sample comes into contact with the indenter. Now a diagram illustrating the movement of the indenter appears on the screen. Turn the handwheel smoothly. The green scroll bar then rises. When it is about to reach the starting position, the scroll bar turns yellow, until the indenter shown in the diagram reaches the open position. At the same time, a buzzer alarm will sound. At this point, you should immediately stop turning the handwheel. If the handwheel is turned slightly too far, it will not affect the measurement results and accuracy. If the rotation is excessive, the scroll bar will turn red, and an alarm will sound. The sampling stage should be lowered, moved to a different position, and the process restarted. After the initial test force is applied, the test begins automatically. Maintain the initial test force, apply the main test force, maintain the total test force, and then remove the main test force. After the initial test force is maintained, the test results are displayed, accompanied by a beeping sound. Turn the handwheel counterclockwise. The sampling stage descends. All test forces were removed. The accuracy of the hardness tester was verified using different standard hardness blocks. Remove surface grease. Start the test again using the scale on the standard hardness block. The results of the first test should not be included in the statistics. The test results were compared with the hardness values, marked on the hardness blocks according to the relevant standards. If the test results are out of tolerance, please contact after-sales personnel or calibrate according to the instruction manual.